Hello friends, welcome back to Hosted by Chrissy. Today I want to share with you my latest thrift store finds. Most of the items that I'm going to share with you will be used in my outdoor space. I have almost completed my decor on my front porch and I'm still working on the deck in the back. I can't wait to share it all with you. I have so many projects going on right now, including a collaboration that's coming up, actually two of them. Two collaborations that I'm extremely late on fulfilling due to life. You know, sometimes life gets in the way. I'm sure my two videos will probably not be added to a playlist, but that's okay. I'll get them up nonetheless because I did promise participation and I hate to break a promise. I want to share with you just a few pieces. I'm not going to share everything that I've picked up so far because it's going to be used in other areas of my home. So I'm going to try to kind of split some of those up instead of just doing one big haul video. I want to kind of share the items, at least the bulk of the items that I'll be using in very recent upcoming videos. And then the other ones will be shared because they're all still thrift items that were hauled. I'll share those just before the reveal of another space. So I'm hoping that will work out better for me and for you, and I hope it draws a little bit more interest from you as well. If you're new to my channel and have recently subscribed, I'd like to officially welcome you to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you're brand new, or if you're not brand new and you've just never clicked that subscribe button in the past, I hope you'll take a chance to do it right now. Just all you have to do is click either my little logo button down below in the corner, or you can click the red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so that you don't miss out on any notifications. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll leave as much information as I can about any of the items that I present today in the description box below. If you have any questions about how to contact me or anything like that, check out the description box below. It's all in there. If you'd like to collab with me, all that contact information is in there as well, and you can even leave that comment down below too. I greatly appreciate that. I'm always looking to collaborate. I love home decor, DIYs, entertaining tips. I do all of that here on my channel, and I'm so excited to share it with you. And if you want to share with me and collaborate, then hey, just hit me up and we will definitely get together and come up with something really fun. This has become such a fun hobby for me, and I'm so excited to share with you as often as I can. So let's go ahead and get started with the items that I found. The first one is actually a flower pot, and I'm on the fence about whether or not I want to use this flower pot outside or inside. It is ceramic, but it's glazed, so it could be used outside. But look at the shape of it. I just love the shape. It was $5.99 at my local Goodwill. So I'm kind of thinking about getting a calla lily or an orchid, or maybe even two because of the size of the pot, and just keeping it in the house. I thought it was beautiful. And this is the only one that they had at my Goodwill. There was no saucer for it, so I'll probably find some type of saucer. I may already have something that will work with this. So once I do get something in this planter, I'll reveal it to you so that you can see how it turns out. Next items are also outdoor items. These are just some wire candle holders. This one was $1.99. This one was 99 cents. So for $3, I am actually going to spray paint these and use them in my outdoor space. They're metal, and once I spray paint them with Rust-Oleum or something of that nature, I'm confident that they won't rust. I won't leave them out all year. Our summers here are very short, but you know, we do like to use the outside as often as we can because of the short season. I just thought these were really unique, and I thought they'd look nice with my outdoor decor. The next item is just something to go with those candle holders. I got this candle, and this one is actually a wax candle, but it's an LED. It doesn't have a battery in it, but it was only $1.99, and this is a really heavy candle. It's one of the Pier 1 candles, so I'm hoping that the remote control that I have will work with this one too. And it fits perfectly in those candle holders. I do have one other one, that I purchased last year, so I didn't need to anyway. So that works out really great. Next, I have a couple of ceramic pieces. My Goodwill has begun to offer a rewards program, so you get a point for every, either like a point or something for every dollar that you spend, or a dollar for every $10 that you spend, something like that. Well, I accumulated enough points to earn $5 in rewards, and I wanted this little dish. I have a bird bath, had a bird bath outside, and my husband broke it with the ladder the other day. And I looked online, I couldn't find anything I liked. I couldn't find anything in any store that I've liked so far. So I decided to try and make one. So I found this little dish. It's a ceramic dish. It's part of the Modern collection from Target. It's a brand new item. Goodwill had it marked for $7.99. They actually marked it down to $6.99. And I had awards points, so I got $5 off that. So hey, you can't beat that. And then I found this adorable flower-shaped dish. This was 59 cents. And I'm planning to try and make a bird bath. I'm going to see if I have some type of a like little bird or some type of little embellishment to go on the bottom of it or on the top of it or something. So I'll get that together in a separate video and see what it comes out to be. I hope it turns out cute, because I really did love the one that I had. And I also picked up these pillows. I absolutely can't stand the print on them, but the back is nice. It's a nice gray, but I don't plan to use the outer cover. I'm going to zip these off. They zip off, and these are part of the Modern line at Target too. They were brand new at my Goodwill. They were just putting them on the shelf. And there are washable pillows inside, you guys. This is how I buy most of my pillow forms if I'm going to make a pillow cover, or if I am going to like purchase pillow covers and I need the insert. This is the cheapest way to do it. This was $5.99, and the cashier actually charged me $2.49 for each of these. I bought two. There were two identical ones. So I have the other one, I think it's still in the bag. But I got two of these, and they fit my pillow forms that I bought on Wish. Super cheap, you guys. Perfectly. So you'll see these in my outdoor space. One other pillow that I picked up is from the Threshold line at Target. This was brand new, as you can see, and it was $4.99. And I love the fact that it's neutral. Look at that. Isn't it adorable? I love the elephants on it. I got one some time ago, and I was so happy that they had another. So I did pay the full price of Goodwill for this, but I don't see any price from Target. Usually there's a sticker on there, but it is definitely going to work out for me. My new cushions that I got for my outdoor furniture are this neutral color, so that's perfect. So it was $4.99. Not sure of the regular cost. I think I saw another one. They had a price on it, but I don't recall what it was. The last few items that I found were a total surprise. I love to use the wallflowers from Bath & Body Works, and I missed out on the half yearly sale because I was bummed out. But luckily, my Goodwill store had wallflower refills. So these are not typically, at least one of the scents is not my typical scent that I buy, but I've used both of these scents before and I thought they were pleasant. So this one is the lavender, and there's two refills in there. They're brand new, $1.99. Unfortunately, this was not the color of the week. That was half off, but $6 for 6 refills, I thought that was pretty good. This one is the Cotton Blossom, and I did get 2 boxes of that one. So I bought all of the ones that they had, and they will definitely get used in my home. These are also fragrances that don't bother my allergies, so luckily that will work out for me too. I also grabbed this right off the rack before they could put it out. This is a beach bag. My daughter bought one for herself last year, and my beach bag has had it. We have 3 or 4 beaches right within like 2 miles of our house, and I just thought this was so cute. It was marked $4.99 and $9.99 regular price at Target, And this one was half off, so I got this for $2.50. I thought it was a great buy, and I love the color. This is another piece from the Modern line at Target. This lantern was $4.99. Unfortunately, it was also not half off, but for $4.99, I thought I got a great deal. It's extremely heavy, and I can't wait to use this outside on my dining table. I think it's beautiful. It's a great size, and they actually had quite a few of them, so I'm not sure if they just got discontinued or if they're from last year or what happened, but this one is in perfect condition, and I just think it's gorgeous.